We'll ask you to pick your casual question coming from Madam, and please hand it over to my dear. And I'll read the question twice, both in English and Tagalog. And this time, shh. All right. And the question goes like this. How do you stay grounded despite attention or pressure? Paano ka nananatiling humble kahit may pressure o attention? Ulitin ko. How do you stay grounded despite attention or pressure? Paano ka nananatiling humble kahit may pressure o attention?
Nanatili po akong humble dahil sa paglingkod ko po sa aking pinanggalingan. Dahil alam naman natin na hindi tayo makakaabot sa budget na ito kung wala yung mga taong masuporta sa atin simula pa lang nung una. Kaya ako'y lumilingon sa aking pinanggalingan. Kaya ako'y nagiging humble simula ngayon, hanggang ngayon. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Number 9, Kim Leonard Lantilia. And this time around, let's move forward to our Mr. Laguna International candidate number 2. Same thing from North Carolina, Kurt Austin. So please take that. By the way, I would also love to acknowledge this, take advantage of this moment to acknowledge our swimwear designer. Maraming salamat again to Mr. Ronnie Raymundo of Ronnie Raymundo Collection. And for the casual interview, we'll have Mr. Dante Estrella. Thank you so much, Mr. Dante. Now, kapatid, this is the question. What is the most important thing pageantry has taught you? Ano ang pinakamahalagang bagay na natutunan mo sa pageantry? What's the most important thing pageantry has taught you? Ano ang pinakamahalagang bagay na natutunan mo sa pageantry?
So for me, it is self-love and confidence. Because as you can see, I'm already 28 and this is my first pageant ever. And being a candidate, we already put ourselves in the discerning arena where people can judge us. People may want us or neglect us, but the validations that we need is the validations for ourselves and not for them. Thank you.
Congratulations, thank you so much for Austin, North Carolina. And to our judges, we'll skip number 3, we'll head straight to number 4. Representing San Pablo, Andre Polisto. Hi Andre, so go pick your question. I'll read the question twice. No time limit. And the question goes like this. What is your personal definition of success? Ano para sa'yo ang tunay na kahulugan ng tagumpay? What's your personal definition of success? Ano para sa'yo ang tunay na kahulugan ng tagumpay?
Ang kahulugan ng tagumpay para sa akin ay yung may aral kang natutunan sa pag-abot sa pangarap mo. Dahil sa pag-abot sa pangarap mo, pag nakuha mo yung pangarap mo, lalagpas ng to sa buhay mo. Pero pag nakuha mo yung aral na buhay, pag nakuha mo yung aral na natutunan mo yung aral sa buhay, dadali mo to habang buhay. At ayun ang meaning ng success para sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, San Pablo. So 4 down, and we have more to go. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we'll head straight to number 5. One more time, representing the beautiful municipality of North Carolina, Christian Luis Viri. Number 5, I'm not going to ask you if you're ready. You know how competition flow. You stay ready. Please give me your question. Okay, nakalit ng pagkakabo. And kapatid, ito ang napakagandang katanungan for you. If you win tonight, what's the first thing you will do tomorrow? Kung ikaw ang mananalo ngayong gabi, ano ang unang gagawin mo bukas? One more time. Let's assume this is the coronation night. If you win tonight, what's the first thing you'll do tomorrow? Kung ikaw ang mananalo ngayong gabi, ano ang unang gagawin mo bukas?
If I win tonight, tomorrow, pupunta po ako sa simbahan para magpasalamat sa Diyos dahil binigyan niya po ako ng kakayanan na magpakita sa inyo ng talento at ibinigay niya sa akin ng titulo na Mr. International. At kung ako din ay mananalo, isa sa katawan ko ang pagiging Mr. International at magiging role model para sa mga tao nakakapanood sa akin, nakakakita sa akin. Ipapakita ko sa kanila ang tunay na Mr. International Laguna. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, North Carolina! Number 5, Kristen Lewis Berre. Judges, we are about to head straight now to the next one. I hope that you guys are still doing okay. Shake it up, you guys. Number 6, it's your turn. Rizal. Municipality of Rizal. Chapet. Haratuan. Congrats, my dear. So pick your question. Alright, so the question goes like this. What do you think makes someone genuinely attractive? Ano sa tingin mo ang nagpapaganda o nagpapagwapo sa isang tao mula sa loob? Let me repeat. What do you think makes someone genuinely attractive? Ano sa tingin mo ang nagpapaganda o nagpapagwapo sa isang tao mula sa loob?
Para sa akin, ang nakakapagpagwapo, nakakapagkaganda sa isang tao ay yung inner beauty. Yung may prinsipyo, respeto, at paniniwala. Andun rin yung nag-i-inspire ng maraming tao at binibigyan ng atensyon ang lahat. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Congratulations from Rizal. Number 6, Chapet Haratuan. Now we'll head straight to our friend from Mahayhay. Number 7, Leonard Derecho. I hope that you guys are still doing great. Tomorrow is Monday. Back to work. Mahayhay! Grabe yung biyahe natin. Thank you, Mahayhay. And this is our question. What's your go-to comfort food after a long day? Ano ang paborito mong kainin kapag pagod ka? Let me repeat. What's your go-to comfort food after a long day? Ano ang paborito mong kainin kapag pagod ka?
Thank you so much. Una ang pagbati sa aking mga kababayan na sumama dito. And good evening, Laguna. My go-to comfort food would be chocolate. Because after a long day, after a long tiring day, a sweet delight would remind me that I did a good job. I did something good for the whole day. And that sweet scent and taste of the chocolate gives me the sense of pride. What I did today, it gives me the sense of reflection na sa buong maghapon, hindi na sayang ang oras ko. And it's time for me to say, Self, you did a good job. So for me, it's always a chocolate. Thank you po.
Chocolate. Number 7. Mahayhay. Congratulations. Now, let's take back to the infinity sign. Number 8. From Santa Rosa. Reynard Bon Tortoles. By the way, to our newly arrived family members and friends and the rest of our supporters, casual interview is equivalent to a total of 10%. I hope that's clear. 10% for the casual interview. Santa Rosa. Mga kapatid, at no time limit, this is the question. What's your most memorable moment so far in your pageant journey? Ano ang pinaka-di malilimutang karanasan mo sa pageant journey? What's your most memorable moment so far in your pageant journey? Ano ang pinaka di mo malilimutang karanasan sa pageant journey mo?
Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Ang hindi ko po makakalimutan o memorable sa aking buhay sa pagsali sa patimpal at mga katulad na naman ay nabubuong pagkakaibigan o banding. Dahil alam naman po natin, kapag marunong tayo makisama o makipaghalimua sa kandidato natin, tayo makakabuo ng isang malikha, masaya at masayang pagsasamahan. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 8, Reynard Boy Tortales of Santa Rosa. Diba the Q&A is a fun way for us to know more about the candidates? Now, after 8, we'll head straight to number 9. Join me here, number 9, from Cabuyao, Najib Kilates. Tama ba, Najib? Najib. So pick your question. Thank you, Najib. Alright, so dear, this is your question. What's your favorite way to stay fit? Anong paborito mong paraan para manatiling fit o healthy? What's your favorite way to stay fit? O ano ang paborito mong paraan para manatiling fit o healthy?
Good evening. Thank you sa wonderful question. Ang paborito kong paraan ng pagiging fit ay ang aking mga hobby, which is ang pagbabodybuild o pagbubuhat at ang paglalaro ng basketball. Why? Kasi dahil sa mga yon, mas na-improve ko yung sarili ko at mas nagiging productive ako sa araw-araw na aking ginagawa.
Thank you so much, Najib Kilates from Cabuyao. Now, we have another gentleman representing Cabuyao, number 10, Chris Jolan Karag. Hey Chris, go pick your question. Thank you, Chris. Alright, so get ready. This is your question. What does inner beauty mean to you? Ano para sa'yo ang kahulugan ng inner beauty? What does inner beauty mean to you? Ano para sa'yo ang kahulugan ng inner beauty?
Good evening everyone. Bilang isang Mr. International Laguna, ang meaning sa akin ng inner beauty ay ito ang inyong kagandahang loob o magandang asal na ipinapakita sa iyong kapwa. Di lang sa iyong kapwa ay bilang isang Mr. International na isang maghalang na anak sa aking mga magulang. At wala ko dito sa inyong harapan kung wala nga ang mga magulang. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Congratulations, thank you so much, Miss Jolan Karag of Cabuyao. Alright, my dear ladies and gentlemen, we only have 12 remaining gentlemen and you have no choice. It's your turn. 11, Los Baños, Kerwin Sita. Thank you, Kerwin. Alright, so the question goes like this, Kerwin. If you were a superhero, what would your power be? Kung isa kang superhero, anong superpower ang gusto mo? If you were a superhero, what would your power be? Kung isa kang superhero, anong superpower ang gusto mo?
Thank you for that question. Good evening, everyone. If I were a superhero, my power would be matter manipulation. As we all know, everything is made up of matter. And being able to control it up to the molecular level, we will be able to change the dry lands into, well, agriculture lands. Or even change the storms into a normal weather. And that's why I would like to have the superpower of matter manipulation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sika from Los Baños. Judges, I hope that you are still doing great. Let's proceed to the next one, alright? Next is from Santa Rosa, Johannes Gontesano. A lot of fans, Johannes, so pick your question. And this is her question. Who has helped shape the person you are today? Sino ang malaking naging impluwensya sa kung sino ka ngayon? Let me repeat. Who has helped shape the person you are today? Sino ang malaking naging impluwensya sa kung sino ka ngayon?
The person that helped me to be the way that I am right now is my mother. Because my mother is a hard-working woman, and I want to experience, to be an optimistic person like her. So everyone, let us continue to show love and respect to our parents, most especially to our mother. And with that, we can say that we are successful and lovely. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Number 12, Santa Rosa. Congratulations, Santa Rosa. Madam, please stay right over here again. And now, it's your turn. Mr. Laguna International number 13 from Bay, Paul Christian Latorgo. Alright, let's go to our questions sa paligid. Salamat.
Soundcheck.
Ay, sumakses ka naman. Baka gusto mong ulitin pa, kapatid. Is the volume okay?
Soundcheck.
Yes, soundcheck. Hey. Alright, so dear, no time limit, this is your question. How do you practice self-love or self-care? Paano mo pinapakita ang pagmamahal sa sarili o pag-aalaga sa sarili? One more time. How do you practice self-love or self-care? Paano mo pinapakita ang pagmamahal sa sarili o pag-aalaga sa sarili?
Thank you for that question, Miss A. Pinapakita ko po ang pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa aking sarili sa pamamagitan ng unahin nating mahalin ang ating sarili. Dahil bago tayo magmahal ng iba, matuto muna tayong mahalin natin ang sarili. Paano natin ma-apply na mahalin ang iba kundi natin mahal ang ating sarili? I remember when I was a child, hindi ko mahal yung sarili ko, nalulung ako sa alak, nagpapakalasing gabi-gabi. Pero nalaman ko yung work ko na mabuhay. At yun ang purpose ko ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations! Number 13 from Bay, Laguna. Thank you, Mr. Latorgo. And this time around, join us here, number 14, Luisiana. Wow. John Christian Castillo. And before we proceed to your question, allow me also to take advantage of this moment to give this huge acknowledgement to our great and talented set designer. Palakpakan naman po natin, TBC Alvarez, for the beautiful setup of our stage. It seems like we're doing the coronation night already. Maraming salamat po, TBC Alvarez, all the way from Los Baños, Laguna. So kapatid, inhale. You have no choice. This is your question. Relax. What's one thing people often get wrong about you? Ano ang isang maling akala ng mga tao tungkol sa'yo? What's one thing people often get wrong about you? Ano ang isang maling akala ng mga tao tungkol sa'yo?
Maraming salamat sa inyong katanungan. Ang isang akala ng tao na hindi ko kaya ay tumapa sa ganitong tablado. Sapagkat sa tingin nila ay hindi ako sapat para sa ganitong patimpala. Nakatayo ako sa inyong harapan at ipinapakita ko kung sino ako at kung ano ako. Sapagkat kung ano kaya nila, kaya ko rin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Luisiana John Christian Castillo. And now, judges, we heading straight to our gentleman who hails all the way from Rizal, James Andre Bayon, number 15. Number 15. Alright, so go pick your question. So this is your question. Who inspires you the most in your everyday life? Sino ang pinaka nagbibigay inspirasyon sa'yo sa araw-araw? Who inspires you the most in your everyday life? Sino ang pinaka nagbibigay inspirasyon sa'yo araw-araw?
Hello everyone. For me is yung aking magulang. Dahil lumaki ako sa isang mahirap na pamilya at I think kaya ako ginagawa to is para sa pamilya ko dahil ginagawa nila lahat para mabuhay kami ng mga magkakapatid. Kaya nandito ako ngayon para tupadin ang pangarap ko para sa pamilya ko. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much. Municipality of Rizal, James Andre Bayon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll proceed to number 16 from Santa Rosa, Prince Yul Rino Legacy. Alright, so my dear, big pleasure. What does being Mr. Laguna International mean to you personally? Ano para sa'yo ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging Mr. Laguna International? What does being Mr. Laguna International mean to you personally? Ano para sa'yo ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging Mr. Laguna International?
Good evening. Personally, for me, being Mr. International Laguna isn't just about having a great body and having a good looks. For me, it is a platform that we can use to educate people about, just like me, about youth empowerment that focuses on implementing healthy lifestyle to other people and healthy mind. Because I believe that self-confidence can be achieved when you have healthy body and healthy mind. Thank you.
Sorry, you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 16, Santa Rosa, Prince Yul Rino Legacy. Congratulations, Santa Rosa. Now, it's your turn, 17. Kuya. Ganda naman ang tattoo. Tattoo ba talaga yan, kapatid? Or galing ka lang sa beach this week? Go back. Oh, I love tattoo. Now, dear Kapuyaw, this is your question. How do you hype yourself up before a big day? Paano mo hinahanda ang sarili mo bago ang isang importanteng araw? How do you hype yourself up before a big day? Paano mo hinahanda ang iyong sarili bago ang isang importanteng araw?
Para sa akin, bilang isang hardworking na tao, ako po ay natutulog ng 8 oras upang bigyan ng sapat na lakas ang aking sarili at bigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ng aking sarili at bigyan ng isang magandang kinabukasan ng aking sarili. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Vince or Vince Jimenez Kapuyaw. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Number 18, Los Baños, Johannes Reddy Muller. Hey, Jo. No secret answer. By the way, it's nice to see you again. I remember I hosted Mr. Los Baños. You were there, right? I hope to see you on much bigger stage, Jo. Kapatid, this is the question. If you could swap lives with someone for a day, who would it be and why? Kung maaari kang makipagpalit ng buhay sa kahit sino sa loob ng isang araw, sino ito at bakit? If you could swap lives with someone for a day, who would it be and why? Kung maaari ka makipagpalit ng buhay sa kahit sino sa loob ng isang araw, sino ito?
Kung gusto ko makipagpalit sa isang buhay, as I live in Los Baños, so which is known na mga fishermen ang lagi nagtatrabaho doon. So I would like to experience how hard work they are to promote our product in Los Baños when it comes to fishermen. And also, I think I can use this platform so that we can help our fishermen para mapanatili nating malinis ang ating ekonomiya. Ay lamang po, maraming salamat.
Congratulations, representing Los Baños! Number 18, Johannes Wendy Muller. Now, this time around, we'll head straight to our candidate number 19 from our host city, Calamba, Laguna, Imar, Manlangin. Alright, so Imar, stay ready. This is the question.
Imar.
If you could give advice to your younger self, what would you say? Kung may maipapayo ka sa mas batang version ng sarili mo, ano iyon? If you could give advice to your younger self, what would you say? Kung may maipapayo ka sa mas batang version ng sarili mo, ano iyon?
Well, if I can give advice to my younger self, it would be authentically yourself. Because in this world that's full of hatred, bashing, comparison, and discrimination, we can never please others. But we have that eagerness in our heart to be the best version of ourselves in our daily lives, then we can make an impact to others. And in that way, we can really accelerate our acceleration. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Imar Manlangin, from the host city, Calamba, Laguna. Judges, we only have 4 remaining gentlemen. And now, let's direct to the next one. From Victoria, Joshua Dizon. Thank you, Joshua.
Thank you.
All right, so get ready. This is your question. If you could instantly master any skill, what would it be? Kung may skill kang pwedeng agad matutunan, ano ito? If you could instantly master any skill, what would it be? Kung may skill kang pwedeng agad matutunan, ano ito?
I think that would be to do my own makeup. For all the people know, we candidates always dependent to our makeup artists. We tend not to do our makeup on our own when they are not in each other. And I believe in Robby Domingo said that men can also do makeup, and it does not compromise your masculinity by doing your own makeup, as long as you're confident in yourself and you know your purpose in this world, and you can make your own decisions in life. That will be all. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, Victoria. Joshua Dizon. Now, let's direct to 21. From Santa Rosa, Dave Raniel Alcantara. Alright, let's go to your question, my dear. Grabe, the free pageant is intense. What more on the coronation night? So good luck, my dear. 21, Santa Rosa, this is your question. If you had a time machine, what year would you visit? Kung may time machine ka, anong taon ang gusto mong balikan o puntahan? If you had a time machine, what year would you visit? Kung may time machine ka, anong taon ang gusto mong balikan o puntahan?
Para po sa akin, ang taon na babalikan ko nung bata pa ako dahil gusto kong maranasan ang pagmamahal ng aking nanay. Kaya ating po lahat, patuloy po natin mahalin ang ating magulang. Nang sa gayon, magkakaroon tayo ng matagumpay at maayos na buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Santa Rosa. 21, Dave Raniel Alcantara. All right, so we're getting near to the closing part. Maraming salamat everyone for staying with us out until the last minute of our celebration. Now, last two, 22 from Bay Laguna, Raylon Dizon. Alright, so for Dizon, pick your question. And the question goes like this. If you had to describe yourself as a playboy, what would it be? Kung isa kang playboy, ano ka at bakit? If you had to describe yourself as a playboy, what would it be? Kung isa kang playboy, ano ka at bakit?
My flavor would be sweet because it is like my personality. I'm sweet to everyone, especially in my siblings. And when I'm connecting with people, I use my kindness and respect. That's why I'm a sweet person. And I thank you.
Thank you so much for representing Bay, Mr. Raylon Dizon. And now guys, calm down. We are about to seal our casual interview. And the last one from North Carolina. Got a lot of representatives from North Carolina. 4 from North Carolina. So dear, pick your question. Alright, so dear, the question goes like this. How do you handle stress when things don't go your way? Paano mo hinaharap ang stress kapag hindi umaayon ang mga bagay sa plano mo? How do you handle stress when things don't go your way? Paano mo hinaharap ang stress kapag hindi umaayon ang mga bagay sa plano mo?
Well, for me, the way I handle stress is I always keep a positive mindset because I understand, as a young entrepreneur and also a student, I understand that not every day, not all your plans will go 100%. Maybe your Monday will go 80%, maybe your Tuesday may go 50%. But I always understand that if I plan, everything may not go, but I always keep a positive mindset. Because if I always keep a positive mindset, I can always think that tomorrow is another day for me to achieve my goals in life. Thank you.
Congratulations.